Good morning everyone, and welcome to Amira's Lifestyle Guide, where everything home related, food related, just everything got to do with the house really. So everybody has basically requested how to add a French style theme to the bedroom while styling your bedroom. So I've decided to do an updated video of how to add some French Provincial accents and linens and decor pieces to your bedroom, and where to buy them from. So my go-to furniture store, home decor store is Rococo Decor. They are located in Beverly Hills. I will be putting their information in the description box below, so do head to their page and to their store. You will love their European inspired furniture, their custom made furniture, all French Provincial. So everything that I'm using today is from their store, so you can find everything at their store and you're going to absolutely love it. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do when decorating a French inspired bedroom is the color scheme. So the go-to colors for a French Provincial bedroom is typically natural linens, seafoam green, pale blues, duck egg blue, some really subtle florals, whites, oak and whitewashed timbers and carvings and things like that will just add beautiful accent touches to your bedroom. So today I'm going to use natural linens. My main color is seafoam green and some whites. So these are all going onto the bed, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to decorate my dresser and bedside tables. So the first thing you want to do is use a duvet cover. Decide on a duvet cover that's comfortable for you guys to use once going to bed. I'm just using a simple cotton white one, just all plain white from IKEA, very inexpensive, and it's only $20 for the queen size. So I'm using that as a main. This is what we'll be using once we go to bed. So just lay that all the way flat. No need to iron the creases, honestly, it doesn't make a difference. And then I'll be grabbing a seafoam green bedspread, and I want to just have that laying over. And you don't need to be perfect with this. Don't think you need to tuck it under the sides or anything. A bed is so inviting once everything looks so effortlessly thrown onto the bed, but still looks pretty at the same time. So this quilt cover is from Rococo Decor. It's absolutely stunning. The color is amazing. I normally use pale blues and for my bedding, and I'm pretty sure if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know this about me. I'm a blueaholic, as they say. And just throw it like that, and while I fiddle around with that, I'll show you. So once you're happy with the placement of your bedspread, if you decide to use a bedspread or another duvet cover on top, once you're happy with the placement of it, then I love to do the fold over look at the top of the bed. So this gives it a little bit of lush volume to the bed. It just looks so inviting, and it adds, I don't know, it's just a pretty touch to the actual bedding. So what I'm going to do here is fold once and then fold again over. So it'll look like that, and I'll do the other side. And then like so. And then now we're going to put pillows. So the Euros and the pillows wanted to sleep on, and the decor pillows that I'm going to use. So first I'm going to use the natural linen Euro cover or Euro pillows these ones are from IKEA. I love these. I'm absolutely obsessed with linen, especially bed linen. So just like that. And then these ones we'll be using to sleep on. So these are the matching ones to the duvet cover. So also nothing special. Do that one there. and then the matching seafoam green, so right there, to go on top to add that beautiful textured bedspread and colour. Already looking so pretty and so fresh. This colour is so fresh. Beautiful. And then I'm not going to use too many decor actual cushions. Well, not even. I'm just going to use one. This is absolutely stunning. It was made in Belgium, I believe. And it's a Euro-sized floral cushion, which is absolutely amazing, and from Rococo Decor, of course. And one thing I absolutely hate is when decor cushions are hitting the folded side. So what I'm going to do is adjust the folded sides a little bit lower so the decor cushion can actually sit properly. So I'm going to do that now. So just push it down. Nothing too hard. Yep, that's perfect. And I'll fix the other side. And I'll just bring it down like so. And there we go. So what I'm going to do, this is optional, you don't have to. I like to add a accent throw. So because we have the pattern cushion here, I don't want to take away from that. So I'm going to use just a simple knitted throw, and this one was from Kmart. And with throws, what's beautiful about a throw, well, it lives up to its name, it's a throw, so just throw it on wherever you're going to use it. So just throw it over. There's no right or wrong way of using a throw, so don't think that how you're using it is right or wrong. That's fine. And I'm just going to use it like that. I love the tassels, and I want two hanging on that side. So yeah, I always readjust my throw, so don't mind me. Okay, so moving on, here's the bed. So I'm really happy with that. It looks so fresh, so inviting that I just want to do a swan dive and go to bed. But we're not done yet. So we're going to decorate the dresser first, and then we'll move on to the simple decorating on the bedside. So we're going to start with flowers. Flowers are a crucial part in decorating. They add just a pretty sense of nature in a home. So no matter what theme that you're going for in decorating, flowers are a crucial part in making your home look amazing. So I've gone for classic white peonies, and what I absolutely love about them is that they're long stem. They're a long stem of about, I don't know, there's too many, but it's a whole bunch of peonies that are long stem, and I've never seen them like this. Normally I just get the small stem bunches that are practically everywhere, but these I have not seen. They're from Rococo Decor, of course, and normally I go for just typical vases to display flowers, but this time I've decided to do something a little French country, and I'm going to use my market flower bag. So I take this with me to the flower markets whenever I want to get some fresh flowers to decorate the house. But this time I'm going to use it on my dresser, and I'm just going to display the beautiful, very real life-like peonies inside. Absolutely love how that looks against the seagrass, the leather strap, the carving in the background. Very, very pretty indeed. So just going to fiddle around with that, and I'm just going to see from this angle. Yep, absolutely love it. So next I'm going to decorate with a frame, a beautiful duck egg blue frame with some beautiful beige carving. This actually looks like my armor, which I'll show you very soon. This is also from Rococo Decor, so you can find this, I think there's two sizes, not 100% sure. Best to visit them and ask them about the frame. It's absolutely stunning, so pretty. And I'm just going to put that And do not get rid of your old books. If you want to add a sense of antique to the room, one, you can leave the cover on, or if it's not a really nice color, you can just take off the hard cover and leave the actual vintage looking pages, so it will look like that. And what I do is I just place a candle that's been lit before and a glass dome, and that adds such a pretty touch to anywhere really. So that's the dresser, and that's done. That's more than enough. So next I'm going to start decorating this bedside. I'm going to put a little bit more on this side rather than that side. I don't like to clutter both bedsides. So I'm going to, of course, put a French Provincial lamp and just put that like that. And of course, another vintage book, but I've decided to leave the cover of this one. It's pretty nice and neutral. And a simple flower arrangement, just a small one with a little bit of color that suit the cushion there, and a little clock. And that's done. So I think that's plenty for this side, and that's how it looks. So let's see how that looks. Yeah, like how that looks, and I'll show you a close up. And for this bedside, this is actually my side, which is, I think, the less prettier side. My husband's side is much more prettier than mine. So I've just gone for a simple, just carved trinket box that I have my chargers and things like that, all these nitty things inside of here. And I'm just, of course, my favorite lotion at the moment, it's an English pear lotion, and I like to put that here, so whenever I need it, I use it. So that's my side of the bedside. My husband's was there. The bed is done, the dresser is done, and now I do want to introduce my armoire, and I'm so sure that you're going to love it. So let's move to the next side of the bedroom. So I'll show you inside. I just display some of my blouses in there, some storage up there, and then I have two drawers. We're kind of running out of time, so I can do a wardrobe tour if you guys want. Just let me know in the comments below. But in those drawers I've got my pashmina scarves, and the other drawers some accessories and things like that. But let me close it, and there's mirrors obviously on the sides as well. It's my favorite part of the bedroom. It's a really large piece as well. Okay, so we'll start off. Here's my side of the bed, boring bedside. My husband's side, which is so much more prettier. The beautiful bedding, the dresser, and there is my absolute favorite statement piece in the bedroom, my armoire. And this piece was actually, look at the breeze, so pretty. It was custom made. I designed it, but custom made at Rococo Decor. They brought my vision to life, and so much better than I even imagined. Look at the detailing. It's absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning. Even that coat hanger, it's a pretty embroidered linen hanger, is also from them. You can just tell how much I love this store. The carving is amazing. So that concludes my how to add the French Provincial style theme to a bedroom. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you all for watching. Thank you to the lovely ladies that did suggest to do this video. If it wasn't for you guys, then this video would not have been done. Please do suggest some ideas. I love your ideas, and I love doing things that are different. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.